Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we are in Henry County in the city of Hampton, touring a beautiful DRB homes community that is getting ready to close out called North Hampton. There's 104 home sites here, but they only have 9 sites left. And some of those are basement lots. They're all 4 bedrooms as well. So this home behind me is the Everest 3. We're gonna go inside and see how this looks. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know about some of the special incentives that this builder is having for this particular community. Okay, stay tuned and enjoy the tour. I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home here in Northampton. As you can see, I am in the owner suite and it is so nice. There's so much natural light. There's windows everywhere. You see the sitting area right behind me, which is next door to the owner suite bathroom, which is super nice, as you saw. You know, when you talk about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation. Consider me a resource. I've been in real estate for over 20 years. I'm also a real estate appraiser as well, and I have relationships in this industry. So I leverage that to make sure you have a great transactional experience. This particular community, the builder is offering a great incentive for you buyers. If you use North Star, their preferred lender, they're going to offer you the opportunity to take advantage of your first year being 4.875 your interest rate. Also, they're offering 4% towards your closing cost contribution. So you can use that towards closing costs, buying down your rate, however you want to use it. But I think this is really tremendous because as they're closing out the community, because there's only 9 home sites available, they're giving you guys the opportunity to take advantage of their end of the, well, not end of the year, but just the end of their community opportunities. And so, like I told you before in other videos, you know, there's a way to kind of get the most that you can out of new construction if you do it right. If you come into the community towards the end, the builder is wanting to close that community out, so they incentivize all of the purchases. This is your time to take advantage of that right now, okay? So call me, contact me. My information is right here. You can call me, text me. I will respond, okay? And also shoot me an email as well. Find me on Instagram. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Share. The more you share, the better it is. We can get the information out there, and it does my channel very well with the algorithm. So I really appreciate your support with watching my videos and supporting me with liking and sharing and subscribing. I appreciate your support. I cannot wait to work with you and your family as you relocate here to Georgia. You would love it here, especially in Henry County. It's growing in a beautiful way, and the builders are really putting together really nice communities for you and your family to enjoy for years to come. So contact me and we'll see you very soon. Take care.